Hey everyone, in this video we will be learning about variables in Java. So variables are containers which store some data values, and every variable will be having a data type. Now the value which we are storing in a variable can be changed during the execution of program if our variable is not final. So the syntax for defining a variable is data type, then variable name, and then its value. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Int age equals to 12, where int is our data type, age is our variable name, and 12 its value. Now variables are of three types in Java: local variables, instance variables, and static variables. Local variables. Here we have a class named as ApnaFuture, inside which we have a main method and then string myLocalVar is equals to Ashish is written. Here myLocalVar is variable name, string is data type, and Ashish is its value. So here with the help of this line we are initializing a local variable. Now system.out.println, with the help of this line we are printing our local variable. Let us learn more about local variables. Local variables are defined within a block, method, or constructor. These variables are created when the block is entered and they will be destroyed on the exiting of the block. We can access these variables only within the block where they are getting created. Now instance variables. Again we have a class named as ApnaFuture. Here public string myvar is written. With the help of this line we are declaring a variable named as myvar. Its data type is string and public is its access modifier. Now we have a constructor of class. Inside this constructor we are assigning a value to this variable, and here value is Chaudhary. Below this main method is written, and inside main method we are creating an object of class ApnaFuture. Now with the help of system.out.println we are printing that variable. Here you can see myobj.myvar is written in the last line. What is this? So here we are accessing this variable with the help of object of that class. Hence we can access instance variables with the help of object of the class. Let us see more about instance variables. So these variables are declared in a class and they will be outside of any method, constructor, or block. These methods will be created with the object creation, and when the object will be destroyed, these variables will also be destroyed. We can use access specifiers with these variables, which will tell the accessibility of these variables. And finally, instance variables can be accessed only by creating the class objects. Now static variables. Again we have class named as ApnaFuture, and here public static string myvar is equal to Ashish is written. So as we know, myvar is our variable name, string is its data type, Ashish its value, and here you can see static keyword is also written. So static keyword is telling that this variable is static. Now we have a main method, and inside which system.out.println is written. Here you can see ApnaFuture.myvar in the last line. It is telling that we can access a static variable with the help of class name. Let us see more about static variables. So these variables are also called as class variables. These variables are declared similarly as our instance variables, but the difference is they will be having a static keyword which is making them static. All the objects of the class will be having a single copy of a static variable. And finally, static variable can be accessed by using class name. This was a brief overview about variables in Java. If video is informative, then please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.